You can save up to 15 to 20% of the money that you're spending just by having a disciplined budget every month because you're allocating your dollars to every activity. Does it sound a little restrictive? It can be in the beginning, but when you know you have the opportunity to say, I want Amazon Prime, I need that. Do I really need Netflix? Or do I really want Disney? Or do I really need Hulu and Peacock and Paramount? And they start adding up. You have the opportunity to know how much you want to save, how much you want to spend, what's left over, and then allocate that money towards whatever you're trying to spend and get rid of things that you don't want to. You actually have more control. When you feel more in control, you have more options, then the fear and the anxiety start to fade away from making those money decisions.
There's a reason why a society cannot exist without laws. Can you imagine if for one day, 24 hours, every law was off the book?
That would be great.
And then stuff happens and you're like, this is horrible, right?
Yes.
But that's how our finances go.
Yes.
There's no laws in the book. It's free game. We buy whatever we want, whenever we want. And it doesn't work.
Well,
and it's proven that
it only works if you're the federal government and you can continue to print money.
Yeah, that's fair.
That's when it works. When you have fiat currency, that works. But you can see exactly what happens. You have the interest on the debt is $1 trillion. Then you see, wow, how much money are they actually just wasting to printing money into the debt in the economy?
But even with that, we're starting to see like we are the ones who are receiving the, what do you call it? They're destroying the economy.